Hey, Garrett Jess here again. Today we're going to do Pro Trailer Backup Assist. So we're going to apply these stickers on the trailer, get it hooked up, see how the feature works. We've never hooked it up, so we're doing this for the first time along with you. Now, many of you have probably heard about this, think it's cool, but I have no idea how to use it. You got these weird stickers that you got to figure out how to apply. You got to calibrate it. Honestly, we've never made a video like this. We've never done it ourselves, so we're doing it all for the first time together, so follow along. Just connected to the trailer using Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. If you're interested in that, we have a couple other videos about that on our YouTube page. Check it out. Okay, we're going to add a trailer here to get started. Trailer name, Jess Ford. Trailer type, we're going to go conventional. We're going to save that. Continue to setup. All right, trailer brake effort, we're going to go medium. The length of this trailer is about 20 feet. Width is about 7 feet. Confirm. All right, now Pro Trailer Backup Assist. We're gonna go set maximum trailer angle allowed. We're gonna go normal. All right, so let's go to Pro Trailer. Let's use the Jess Ford trailer. Place sticker, refer printed, quick guide, start guide. Okay, when you open your sticker kit, you have a quick start guide. And so it kind of walks you through where to put the sticker. You can also scan the QR code for more information. Let's figure out where to put these stickers. So do you think it goes here and here? Here? Okay. Drive straight forward until the trailer is straight behind. Drive in a left or right turn. It could be my handle's in the way.
You think so? Your what?
The deal could be over the sticker.
You want me to check it?
Yeah, see how it's over it?
Yeah. Lesson learned.
Go move it, will you, Brandon?
Sticker.
Yeah, so our handle was covering the sticker, so that could have been affecting it. We since moved it. See if that helps.
Could the sticker be backwards?
So we tried putting the sticker right here on this trailer, but we're thinking this was interfering because it kept saying not detected. So we're going to try that trailer over there and see if it works. So now we've already added the sticker. We know where it needs to go. All right, shift to drive. Okay, calibration complete. So we can stop to activate it. So I'm actually going to pull over to where we're going to test this backing out at. All right, now we're going to back up the trailer. Trailer detected. So I had to move it there to make sure it had a clear view. There we go, right where we were at. So I was always taught, you know, turn the wheel opposite of where you want to go. So it was kind of honestly relearning it. But yeah, you just turn the dial to where you want the trailer to go and it steers for you. Actually works pretty slick. So the first trailer we used, the hitch was actually obstructing the view of the sticker, and it actually wasn't a good trailer for this feature. So we switched to a different trailer that had a clear, unobstructed view. That actually set up and activated way simpler. Okay, another thing, when you're programming this, you actually need a lot of space, because to calibrate, you have to drive forward, you have to turn right, you have to turn left. And so keep in mind, you want a big open space when you're calibrating the trailer to your truck. And once you save your trailer and then you calibrate it, you don't have to ever calibrate it again. You keep your sticker there, you're good to go every time you hook up to that trailer.
So apparently Garrett wants me to try the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. I have to park in between one trailer and an orange cone. And I've never used this before. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. This is way different.
And take two here.
Where's that code? I'm gonna do this here. Oh yeah. Once you get the swing of it. Okay. Once you get the hang of it, honestly, it's really easy. But one thing, when you let go of it and it's in the middle, it just backs up straight, which is really nice. So, yeah.
I have a question. This is backwards to me. What really does help is when you let that go back to the center, it's backing you up straight. So then your adjustments are very small and very easy, but works pretty good.
Whether you're a first timer or a pro, Ford's Pro Trailer Backup Assist makes it simple just by turning a knob. So check out our video, get it hooked up, let us know what you think. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and let us know what other videos you'd like us to make. That didn't work good at all. How's an AI?
No, whatever.
I'm gonna hit the building. I'm gonna hit the building.
That's going on the bloopers with the platform. Wow! Stop it.